It seems that the craze nowadays on TikTok is TikTok Shop affiliate. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I originally started this page documenting my journey on TikTok Shop from zero all the way up to 10K in sales. But what originally helped me blow up my shop in sales was becoming my own affiliate. Yes, I use my personal account to promote products for my TikTok shop. So I understand the game from both being a shop owner and a seller on the platform and also being an affiliate. I'm gonna pop up some screenshots right here of affiliate videos that I made for my TikTok shop, and as you can see, I know a thing or two about getting a lot of views. In this video, I want to tell you guys everything and answer every single question you can have about being a TikTok shop affiliate. We're going to go over how to join the program. We're going to go over how to get products to promote. We're going to go over how you get paid. And most importantly, we're going to go over how to create great content just like this that's going to generate sales and earn you that commission. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, first and most importantly, we need to address how do you join the program and how do you get accepted. There's two ways to do so. The first is the easy route. You simply need to be over the age of 18 years old and you need to have over 5,000 followers. If you meet this criteria, you can easily join the program. You just go on your TikTok account, you go to creator tools, you find TikTok shop for creator, and you join. However, many of you probably don't have such a strong following on TikTok, but fret not because I have a plan just for you. What you're going to do is we're going to go a little bit around the system here, and this may be against their terms of service, but you're going to create a TikTok shop seller account as if you are going to sell products on the platform. However, you are not going to list any products up. You are then going to link your TikTok shop to your TikTok personal account that you're going to use to create content and promote products. Once these two are linked, you can now start adding products to your showcase from TikTok shop. Simply, you just go on the shop tab, you find products that you like that are in an open plan, which means you can add them to your showcase, and you simply do so. Once we're all set up, we're a TikTok shop affiliate, whether you do the first method or the second, you're going to be asking yourself, how the hell do I get products to promote? Because this is not as easy as all the YouTube gurus told me it was going to be. Well, my friend, I have news for you. Nothing in life is easy, especially if it's worth it. So I'm going to tell you guys how to start getting products, and you have three options. First option is pretty much the beginner option, what you're most likely going to have to do when you first start out without much followers. And that is you're going to go into the shop tab. You're going to find products that you like or that interest you or that you can see yourself creating content about. If these products are in an open plan, which is something that the seller sets up, it's on their side, you don't have to worry about it. If these products are in an open plan, that means you can simply add them to your showcase. So pretty much when you go on your TikTok profile and you go to the shop tab, you're going to see the product there just as if you were selling it. So once the product is in your shop tab, that means it's in an open plan, and whatever sales you generate for that product, you're going to earn commission off of it, whatever the commission the seller is offering. So then what you're going to do is purchase that product. You're going to get yourself a sample. Yes, this is going to take a little bit of upfront investment, but this is something that you're most likely only going to do when you first start out. And if you don't even have, 1,000 followers. Once you order this sample or once you purchase the product and it comes in as if you were just any regular old customer, you're going to start creating content with this product. Because the product is in your product showcase and it shows up on your profile, that means you can add the little link to any video that you make. You can promote that product as much as you want, and for however many sales you generate, you're going to earn whatever commission that particular seller is offering. If you have a decent sized page and you get a decent amount of views, you can go with option 2, which is to request a free sample from the seller. Now, not all TikTok shop sellers offer free samples, but this is something that I was doing. I was giving my affiliates a terrible commissioner. I was doing them dirty with 1%, but it's all good because I was my own main affiliate. When sellers offer free samples for their products, that means you can simply go on, click on the product on the shop tab, go on the product page, request a free sample. The request is going to go to the seller. They're going to view your account. They can, go on your page. They can look at some analytics about your page, check your followers, check your engagement, your views, and then choose to reject or accept. Now, the reason why this is the more difficult option is, at least for me, I was very strict on who I decided to work with. Doesn't matter if they had a ton of followers, if they didn't have great engagement, if they created really shitty content, I was gonna give them a free sample. So make sure you get the, the basis of creating some good content, you have some good views on your page, and then you can simply just go and request samples from as many sellers as you want. Most of the time, sellers just want to generate sales, so they won't be the way I was and as strict as I was. They'll probably accept your free sample request. Once they send you a free sample, you can do just like I previously mentioned. You add the product to your showcase. As much content as you create about it, you can add the link and earn that nice commission. Now, option 3, this is if you're a great affiliate, you're going to have sellers reaching out to you. Now, for me personally, I only create content for my own products as an affiliate, but I would still have a whole bunch of TikTok shops and sellers reaching out to me on a daily basis, sending me, hey, here's a free sample of our product if you want to promote it. And I'd pretty much get these on a daily basis. The great thing about TikTok Shop Affiliate is once you actually prove your value, I feel like if you just get one video that does very, very well for a TikTok shop, other shops are going to see it and they're going to start reaching out to you, offering you free samples and higher commissions. So once you reach this point, you're going to be chilling because people are going to be coming to you and asking you to promote their product versus you as an affiliate having to chase them down. They're also going to offer you higher commission rates. You can also, and this is something I've had one affiliate ask of me, is ask for a base rate. Say, hey, I'll take the commission, but also give me, $400, $300 upfront cash. You can do that because I know this because someone did it to me. I brushed a little bit over how you actually get paid as an affiliate, but let me tell you what it looks like from the seller perspective. Pretty much once the customer orders from your link, they complete their purchase, the seller then has the obligation to deliver that product to the customer. If the seller is not able to deliver the product or if it doesn't reach the customer, you're not going to earn that commission because the buyer is going to be refunded, the funds are going to be taken away from the seller, and then of course nothing's going to come down to you. Once the item is delivered and the customer keeps it, doesn't ask for a return or a refund, you then earn whatever percent commission it is from, the total item cost. I've seen commission rates on TikTok Shop go from 1%, which is what I was offering in a free sample, all the way up to I've seen some shops giving 20, 25%. Think about this. If you get a video that gets a couple million views, you're earning 20% on a product that costs, $100. That is going to be a couple $1,000s just from that one TikTok. I mean, it doesn't get much simpler than that. TikTok and through TikTok Shop has really opened the door for anyone to make money on their platform. But when it comes to making money, you can't just put out lackluster content. That might have worked towards the beginning of TikTok Shop when any type of affiliate content was going to get hundreds of thousands of views. But now TikTok is a lot more selective with what kind of content they push out. I've seen affiliates create hundreds of videos and never break 1,000 views. And of course, they're not going to earn any money from that. So when it comes to creating great content, I know a thing or two, let me tell you about. So when it comes to creating content that actually generates sales, this is probably the most difficult part of this whole operation, and the thing that a lot of these YouTube gurus who talk about TikTok Shop just skip over. You need to actually create good content to drive sales. I mean, it's pretty much common sense, but a lot of people think that if you just add the link on your video, you say, hey, I bought this from TikTok Shop, go buy it, you're going to get a whole bunch of sales. That might have worked in September of 2023 and October of 2023. It actually worked very, very well. But now TikTok does not just push out any old content. Why they did this? Probably because people or TikTok viewers were getting tired of constantly being sold to. What you can do now, and this is a strategy that I tell both sellers, TikTok Shop sellers, when they want to promote their own products, but also people creating content as affiliates. The number one tip that I give to all of my clients, my coaching clients, consultation clients is use TikTok. Think of it as product placement when you want to sell your product. So let's forget about the content where you turn on the camera and you're like, you need to go buy this right now off TikTok Shop. It's such a good deal. I love this shirt. It's so amazing. Instead of that, fit the product into your content. Your priority should be to make fun, engaging, funny, serious, whatever it may be, educational content, and then the product is placed somewhere in the video. For example, the products that I was selling were t-shirts, and crew necks. I would make a funny 10 to 15-second TikTok with like a sound that was doing well on TikTok or a song lyrics and then make a caption related to it. This is just, basic TikTok stuff. But I wouldn't be saying go buy this shirt. I wouldn't be saying go buy this crew neck. Oh my God, this is such a good deal. Oh my God, it's so funny. I would simply just be wearing it and make my TikTok. This way, no one would even realize that I'm promoting something, right? Most of the time, they're only going to realize it when they're actually like, wait, I actually like that shirt. I want to buy it. And then at that point, it's easy for them. They can just click on the link right there and purchase it, which is the beauty of TikTok Shop. What you need to understand about TikTok viewers is that they love to buy, but they don't like to be sold to. If you try to push the sale down their throat, they're going to reject it. That was a weird analogy, but they're not going to want to they're not going to want to buy from you because they know you're either going to make a profit off them or you're making commission. However, you find a funny sound on TikTok, you think of a funny caption. Let's say you're promoting a shirt, you're just wearing it. The link is going to be there. So once they actually want to purchase it, they're going to find it. But then the comments are not going to be like, oh my God, this person is just trying to sell something again. Oh my God, how do I get rid of TikTok shop posts? Because they're not even going to notice it's a TikTok shop post unless they actually want to buy from you. And I think that is the biggest key and piece of advice I can give you guys as TikTok shop affiliates. And I think it's going to be the most important thing that's going to help you make a lot of money. This advice also goes to people who have their own TikTok shop. Definitely take this and use it when you create your own content. But with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to book a one-on-one consultation with me to talk about the specifics of the platform, I think I have a very good understanding of it now that I've had success with long form content, with short form content, with doing TikTok shop, whatever it is. I've been using TikTok for a few years now, so I understand it very well. Find my consultation link down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment down below if you're going to try our TikTok shop affiliate, and I'll see you guys in the next video.